Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
We begin this evening with a developing story. The police high command says kidnapping and murder charges could be laid against the suspects held in the case of a missing woman and her 10-month-old baby.
The revelation was made in a video statement released by the Jamaica Constabulary Force, JCF, today.
Kirk Wright has been tracking this story.
Last night, TVJ News broke the news of the arrests in the ongoing investigation involving the disappearance of Sashina Patterson and her 10-month-old child, Sahara Paulwell. The suspects were picked up yesterday and taken into custody last evening. Today, Deputy Commissioner of Police Fitz Bailey confirmed the arrests.
The quality and potency of the evidence amassed thus far has led us to take into custody 4 persons in relation to this investigation. One of those persons is Miss Lehoda Bradshaw, a 34-year-old petty officer in the U.S. Navy.
Our sources have confirmed that Miss Bradshaw is considered one of the main suspects at this time.
We are looking at a case of kidnapping. We are looking at a case of conspiracy to murder and other charges that will flow from that. There's a lot of misinformation that is swirling in the public. And we think, in particular, with Miss Bradshaw, we have evidence that we could advance a case at this time. But we want to ensure that we cross every T and dot every I. And so there are a number of things that are ongoing, and so we want to ensure that those have come to a conclusion before we proceed with the formal charging of her.
The mother and child were reported missing from their home in Kingston 20 on the 9th of September, almost a month ago.
An update will be provided to the nation through the press.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.
Meanwhile, attorney...